people will ask me all the time. They're like, "Well, what are your two other sisters doing?" I'm like, "Oh, they're nurses too."
Yeah, people will
You
ask, and
inspired us.
I'm like, we're all three nurses, and they're like, all three of y'all? And I'm like, yep. I never thought we would all three be nurses, but my biggest testimony in all this is that we were all so close doing this together, basically. I graduated the nursing program from Reid in July of 25, and I work for Home Health, which is progressive home care out of Monroe County Hospital.
I graduated in 2025 and I worked in the ER in Monroe as well.
I graduated in 2024 and I work in the ER at Monroe.
I chose Reid State to do my nursing journey, for one, because Kiley graduated from here, and I just heard all of the good things that she had to say.
Reid State did lay like a solid foundation for me.
My experience with having Kiley, she had already finished the program, and then me and Hayley going together. I think having both siblings, us doing it together, and her, like I said, already graduating, she helped us in many ways. I know that if it weren't for Hayley, there are days that I probably would have thrown in the towel.
I felt more comfortable having somebody to ride with and like go with me to school every day. I always thought I would be able to run to Kiley and, will you help me study?
Mm-hmm.
Or if I was struggling, I'd be like, I'm struggling. She's like, oh, well, you got it. You're fine. Stop worrying about it. But there was no giving up for me or her. I wasn't going to let that happen.
I'm telling you, if it wasn't for the instructors and the staff here and my friends, I just do it. Just enroll and you're going to make it.